In the digital age, the world of retail has been transformed by the rise of e-commerce and the innovative business model of dropshipping. Both approaches offer entrepreneurs opportunities to enter the world of online retail, but they differ significantly in terms of business strategy, operational complexity, and potential for success. This video aims to explore and compare e-commerce and dropshipping, shedding light on their respective advantages and disadvantages. E-commerce refers to online retail businesses that stock and sell their own products. Business owners maintain control over inventory, pricing, and shipping processes. This model demands a higher initial investment for purchasing and managing inventory. Dropshipping is a business model where entrepreneurs sell products without holding any physical inventory. Business owners partner with suppliers who handle inventory and fulfillment. Dropshipping requires lower upfront costs since there's no need to invest in inventory. Operational complexity. Even operational complexity differ within these business models. In e-commerce, business owners are responsible for product sourcing, inventory management, and shipping logistics. Managing inventory levels and warehouse operations can be complex and time-consuming. Yet, do have greater control over the entire supply chain. In dropshipping, the operational burden is lighter as suppliers manage inventory and shipping. Entrepreneurs focus on marketing, customer service, and website management. Yet has less control over product availability and shipping times, not to mention if there was an error on a third-party supplier with the product, it is essentially your fault even when it is not. Now cost and investment in these business models are very different and can really help in starting entrepreneur. E-commerce requires significant upfront investment in inventory, warehousing, and shipping infrastructure. The operational costs can be high, including storage, shipping, and product sourcing. With dropshipping, there is a lower initial investment, as it doesn't require purchasing and holding inventory. Operating costs are primarily related to website maintenance, marketing, and customer support. Though there is greater control over product selection, pricing, and branding when talking about the flexibility in e-commerce. This includes adapting to market trends and quickly changing product offerings. Where in dropshipping, there is limited control over product selection and pricing, as suppliers dictate these aspects. Also, the adaptation to market trends may be slower due to reliance on suppliers. Finally, profit margins. E-commerce potentially has higher profit margins since business owners have control over pricing. This means the greater potential for scaling and growth with higher margins. Where dropshipping typically has lower profit margins due to price competition and supplier fees. Scaling often requires higher sales volumes to compensate for lower margins. Both e-commerce and dropshipping offer unique opportunities in the world of online retail. The choice between the two business models depends on an entrepreneur's preferences, resources, and goals. E-commerce allows for greater control and potentially higher profits but requires a substantial initial investment and operational complexity. In contrast, dropshipping is more accessible with lower upfront costs, but it comes with limitations on product control and profit margins. Ultimately, the decision should be based on a careful assessment of individual circumstances and objectives. In this rapidly evolving industry, successful entrepreneurs may even combine elements of both models to create a hybrid approach that maximizes their chances of success. Regardless of the chosen path, the world of e-commerce and dropshipping continues to offer exciting opportunities for innovative and determined individuals seeking to thrive in the online marketplace.